Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make aesthetic Discord welcome message with CalBot, right? It is going to be very easy and I will show you the full guide. So just follow me. So here we are into our server, and of course you have to make your own server, or if you want to do it in someone else's server then you need to have to a moderator or at least admin, right? So here we have to create a channel here. For example, this is a channel and let's say welcome, okay, welcome everyone, right? So this is the channel and this will be a text channel. Then I will click on create channel, right? Once I click on create channel, I will just go to the new tab CalBot, open this CalBot dashboard. Here we can use login in with Discord, right? We will give the authorization of our Discord ID and automatically it will do it in few seconds. I will just choose one account here, right? And here this is, and I'll just click on continue, right? So confirm that if you want to grant CalBot the following permission on zero server, right? So this is, I'll just click on authorization here again. Of course I'm not a robot, yeah, that's I'm pretty sure about it. Now we can just skip, or you can just click on get started. For now I'll just click on skip. So guys, on the left side you will see a lot of options. Just go to welcome, and here whenever a person or whenever ID wants to join our server, then he will get it over this server, right? So they will get a some kind of message. So for example, in the welcome message you can just write here, hello, how are you? I mean, just welcome to the our server, whatever server your name is and whatever things you're providing, right? Whatever the community it is, right? And maybe if you want to send a DM at whoever joined it, so you can just write here, how thanks for joining our server, like this something. Or if you want to, so there is a lot of things where you can add, and just click on save, and whatever things you are like to change, just click on save, right? So here we have to select it welcome everyone, of course. So make sure this is very important, otherwise they will not get any kind of notification or something. So just select the welcome here, then click on save. Once you click on save, you will get a notification, and this is, so whenever a person join here, they will get a message, as well as if you want to do a DM also, then automatically the bot will do the DM. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.